You guys can't go through that warp. Don't know what to do with. I can't even go through that portal. Wait. What's wrong with me, though? What's wrong with me? What is wrong with me? I need to stop. Dragon Lord? Hello, Lightning Dude. There are two Dragon Lords. Yes, there is. I must stop you. But you can't, you know why? This is just a hologram. I'll defeat you, Dragon Lord. But you can't. What do you mean I can't? But I could. You don't have to stop us. What do you mean, us? You are part of us now. No, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Yes, I call this power. Thank you, Lord. I was born in this pain. Nobody can stop me now. I am the last one that's standing. If you're messing with me, my only weapon. Yeah, I was born in this pain. I don't make this portal no more. At least this portal isn't no more. Yeah, there's nobody to carry on. Where's that stupid warp? I said, where's that stupid warp at? I don't know where that stupid warp is, but who cares? Yeah. I'll blow up this place if I have to. One by one. Until I get it to pieces. Until it crumbles. Until there is no more. I'll create a black hole and defeat everything in its way. No matter what. I don't care if Cole James will stop me. There ain't no Cole James. Because we are already dead in this universe. The dark demons, the wise, and the portal, and everything. I am the god. With dark portals, less wise. So that's enough video. Peace out, bye.